Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Seat Leon FR Sport. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and whilst still returning up to 43 miles to the gallon. This is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 30,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Nevada white and looks in great condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the FR Sport, you get the nice, really supportive sport seats there, which are leather, and also you have the red stitching, which matches the steering wheel. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has heated front seats, as well as climate control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. As you open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there for a hatchback. Again, the rear bench has the red stitching, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit as well as some extra storage. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.